How to buy an item in TikTok shop. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to buy an item in TikTok shop. To do this, you simply want to make sure to open up your TikTok application and log in. After which, at the bottom of the page, you could find the TikTok shop icon. However, this following option isn't available in my region. So at the bottom you could see there is a friends section, right? In friends there will be one more tab that is for shop. So you just need to go ahead and click that out and you could see a same interface as this. So all you can do is you could go and explore this, you could go ahead and explore the category, or you could use the magnifying glass icon at the top of the page and then search for it. So likewise, you could go ahead and look for any sort of item that you are looking for, and this is how you'll be able to buy an item in TikTok shop. And if you like the particular item, you could confirm it, and then that is how it's done. So this is how you could buy an item in TikTok shop. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.